course, on some chocolate skin. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I see ginger on chocolate skin on Instagram, it just snatches my damn soul. Like, it's something about it. I don't know. That shit is cute. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl So Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. I know, Foxy, where the hell have you been? Because it's been about 3 weeks since my last upload, and I apologize, you know what I'm saying, but life got a hold of me. I don't know about you guys, but every once in a while I have to like recharge myself, and recharge means like take a step back from any and everything around me and just focus on myself. And I think I got a little too comfortable doing that, but it's okay because here we are 3 weeks later, back again with another wig install, and this unit is from Mslynn Hair. And let me just tell you this, maybe I don't have to tell you anything at all, you seen it. Before we jump into that video, please don't forget to hit that button down below. Now let's jump into this install. Now this unit is from Mslynn Hair, and they were kind enough to send your girl a wig with some goodies. Girl, I got me some press-on nails, some mink lashes, okay, a comb, an edge brush. They were kind enough to send me some wig caps, an edge band, and not them sending your girl some makeup brushes as well. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now let's get into this unit. This is a T-part wig, 22-inch body wave, 180 density. What you guys see me doing right now is just plucking that part a little bit. I plan on wearing this in a middle part, obviously, because it's a T-part wig. And I just want to go ahead and widen that part a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to zoom in just a tad. The part is a bit too little for me. I don't like that. So I'm just going in with my tweezers, and you guys are going to see how I widen it just about now. Yes, that is looking much better, and I do plan on wearing this unit glueless, so I need that part to pop the hell out, you feel me? Now, girl, it was me trying to get all creative and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to create layers in this unit. Now, this unit is long, like I mentioned, she is 22 inches, and I didn't want it to necessarily drag my face down. I love when hair just has layers. Does that make sense? Because I feel like when you curl it up, and that's exactly what I'm about to do, it just makes the curls look that much better when it's layered. Now, if you want me to describe to you exactly what I'm doing, I just do what I seen on YouTube, girl, and I'm cutting, I guess, the hair in a slanted motion. I really don't know. And did it turn out exactly how I wanted it? Absolutely not. But we're gonna give ourselves an A for effort, because what else can we do? Now going in with my Got To Be spray, I am about to curl this unit. Now you guys aren't gonna see me curl the entire thing, but I am gonna show you guys I'm going in with my curling iron. And you know, we just gonna pop a few curls in there or whatnot. Being that it was 180 density, I wanted to see if the unit was gonna give us body, and she was giving us exactly that. Now, as far as this unit curling, does she hold a curl? Obviously, you guys see me using my hairspray, and I felt like she did a good job. I felt like the unit was giving body, and you guys are gonna see that in a second when we talk about it. But yes, right now I'm just popping a few curls in there. I'm really trying to give different content, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it to be a quick little install always on my head all the time. So I'm trying something different just to see, you know, if I like it. If you guys like it, comment down below and let me know. But yeah, we trying to put ourselves out there, do different things, you feel me? But yes, curling iron, and we're just curling that bad boy up. And I'm using some pins to, you know, just hold the curl, because you don't want to necessarily just drop your curls. I find that my curls last way longer when I pin them up and then release them when they're cool. And yeah, as you guys can see, I pretty much already curled the whole thing, and now I'm just curling up the front. That was actually a mistake, which you guys just seen me do it. I actually ended up curling the hair in the wrong direction. I'm gonna fix it off screen. You guys aren't gonna see that part, but yeah, that was not the way I was supposed to curl it. You see what I mean? Experimenting, you know what I'm saying? I really, girl, your guess is just as good as mine. We figuring this shit out as we go, you know? So we're gonna get better with our curling, but we're still gonna give ourselves A for effort because we're trying. So that's what my pin curls are looking like. And you know, they looking real cute and whatnot. So now we're gonna go ahead and install this wig. So this is what she is looking like. Like I mentioned, she is a T-part wig. So you only have the option of a middle part. Throwing this unit on my head. And yeah, we're gonna get ready to cut this lace off. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, this unit will be worn glueless. Being that it's a T-part wig, I really don't see the need to secure it with any lace spray because I'm not doing baby hairs and all that. So glue it down for what? You know what I'm saying? And she's actually big-headed friendly. So if you want to adjust her to your head size to make her snug enough that you can wear her glueless, you can most definitely do that. So yeah, now you guys just see me taking out my pin curls, and it's giving very much so Shirley Temple for sure. Is it Shirley Temple? I'm not even sure. I think it's a thing, but whatever. You guys get what I'm saying. It's giving very much so Curly Sue. You know what I'm saying? Going in with a wide tooth comb to just comb out those curls. And I didn't necessarily like how the front was looking. It was kind of pissing me off. So you guys are gonna see me go back in with my curling iron. And the reason it was pissing me off was because I was definitely curling my hair wrong. Like, I don't know, maybe just seeing some curls, I thought I knew what I was doing, but that was not the direction that I wanted to curl it. It was giving very much so Farrah Fawcett, and I didn't want that. But we're gonna leave it like that for right now because it's cute, but I definitely went ahead and finished it off camera. But yes, glueless, this is what our girl is looking like. Mslynn Hair. This ginger unit, girl, we gotta go talk about it. Now let's get into it. Now this wig was sent to us by Mslynn Hair. And let me just say this, that was the first wig company that I have ever worked with that were kind enough to send me press-on nails. Packaging just for my press-on nails, I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10. Now let's get into the specs of this wig. Now this is a T-part wig. She is 22 inches body wave and she is 180 density. The color I believe is auburn. I'm gonna say auburn ginger-like. And I went ahead and did my unit glueless because this unit gave me the possibility to go glueless. And I'm gonna take Shorty up on her offer because why would I glue down a unit if I don't need to? As you guys can see, I am tugging and she's not shifting. Like, I can lift. The convenience of a glueless wig is just always 10 out of 10, so we love that. Let's get into this color. And listen, y'all could go ahead and joke about global warming all y'all want to. Something's up with this earth because it's been very warm lately. Like, I don't know where you guys are at, but why is it 75 degrees in November? Like, something's wrong. I don't know exactly when we consider winter, but as far as I know right now, it's still serving fall. And baby, this color, of course, on some chocolate skin. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I see ginger on chocolate skin on Instagram, it just snatches my damn soul. Like, it's something about it. I don't know. No, but that shit is cute. This unit does come in a body wave texture, but I wanted to, you know, test my skills a little bit. So I went ahead and I threw in some curls. Now, did it come out exactly how I wanted it to? Absolutely not. But am I proud of myself for trying? Absolutely. I just went ahead and threw some curls in it, you know what I'm saying? 180 density is a lot of body. And I wanted to see if the unit was gonna give exactly that. And girl, body yaddy 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 yaddy. Oh, my titties is shaking. I mentioned this unit is a T-part wig, and what that means is this is only a middle part unit. You cannot do a side part, half up, half down, girl, none of that. I kept this lace here just so that you guys would be able to see that if you do want to go ahead and secure your unit down, you can do that. But honestly, one, she's a T-part wig, so versatility already isn't there. Glue her down for what? Now, does this unit have any cons? No. It's a T-part wig, so you don't really have to worry about styling the wig a bit too much. She is already colored. If you're not good at coloring hair and you would love to try some ginger hair, this is the girl for you. Talk about unbelievably soft. Like, shedding, I have not been getting any shedding. And let me just say this, I have been wearing this unit for days. The only hair that came out of this unit was when I was trying to cut layers in it. And I've had it in for days. Like, she's not shedding, which is very surprising because she's a colored wig. T-part, convenient. Colored, convenient. Length and body, giving. And she's not tangling or shedding. What else more can you want from a wig? I love my job. But shout out again to Mslynn Hair for sending us this beautiful unit. It was very much so appreciated. That was it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Actually, I'm posting this on Tuesday. Wednesday is gonna be my birthday. Your girl is gonna be the big 3. Oh, that shit is crazy. I'm about to be 30, y'all. You know what? Being that it's about to be my birthday, I just feel like you guys should follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. Because how else are you going to wish me a happy birthday unless you come back to my YouTube, which I would most definitely appreciate. But go ahead and show your girl some love. November 16th. Ay. I'm one of the best signs there is, baby. I'm a Scorpio. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.